Straight. So, Chairman, tell us, please.
Caught the woman with the baby. According to the interview, she said she received the baby from a couple.
Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Una do well, so now tell they help me take the like, share. God will really bless una. I appreciate una well. My people, this one where I carry come today, I go put the full video. More na listen, more na watch. I beg if una don't watch and finish, more na still help me share. For those who never see wetin happen for this video. My people, this video na about a small pikin wey dem just newly born. Maybe the pikin go be like 1 month. This woman wanna dey see, so they catch am. Say the woman, e go thief that pikin o. The woman thief pikin wey dem newly born. Na they catch am. Na they come dey ask am say, na where you from dey come? Na who get pikin? Una know na sometimes you see pikin with somebody, you suspect, no? You like to make you ask, because we don't know the way the country be. Because anything where you suspect, you need to ask. Maybe if you not ask now, you not feel save that person where they see small pick where they newly born, where never they just dress and well. This woman, they say Tiffan, according to waiting they right for them. So now they come, they ask the woman, say, now where you from they come? Be like say na Enugu na she dey, but she go Asaba or something, Anambra or something like that. I'll put the full video. Now go listen to what she dey talk. Because what she dey talk, she said, now the mother na give her. It's like she buy am something like that. I don't know, but the way she take dey talk, because she no want talk truth. Because they tell her say, if you not talk truth, we go carry this matter go hide the high table. May you talk to us now. Now, no, so when they don't do this something, not only God, not only Baba God, I know. Maybe the pikin they sleep for inside house, in mama don't bath her. Put her for inside, say, I want make she go bath. Before she go come out, she go carry pikin. We they see many things, we they hear many things where they go on. Then she come, they not na elderly woman, because they not just start with they give her hand for them. We know as all these things they do for our country. Because if not be person wey dey young like that, therefore don't they give her hand make for talk. Small pikin, innocent baby, where you dey carry and they go, not be your own. He say na im mother. But I believe say with time, later she go talk. Waiting make her carry that pikin. Who give am? Whether he thief am or whether he buy am for the mother hand, or only God na can know. So thank God say they survive that pikin for im hand, they comot am for im hand, they don't collect am. So they come dey talk say, who know say they around the Anambra area where pikin lost, may contact them. All this one na vigilante, na ola. Small pikin, innocent baby. May I put the video, more na watch and more na see help me share am. God bless you all.
Okay. Why are you joining now?
Yeah, so madam.
So
one go dey with your uniform.
No, person go there with this uniform.
Somebody go dey with the uniform.
So this is Anambra Youth Volunteer. This is what is happening in Opiweka right now. So I'm making this video to alert every one of you. If you have any woman that just gave to birth that is looking for her child, or maybe that sold her child, anything, please, even the government and the masses, you will help us to locate this woman. This is the woman in question that will cut with the baby. So, and this is the chairman of the youth. So this thing is happening right now in Opiweka. If you have any miss to this baby, please alert us. So, madam, you can, madam, concentrate. So, chairman, tell us, please.
Caught the woman with the baby. According to the interview, she said she received the baby from a couple in Asaba.
Okay.
She resides on the Shahir, while she's from Enugu State.
Okay.
Which side in Enugu?
Madam, please tell us, which side in Enugu State are you from? Amiche.
Amiche Okunano.
What?
Enugu State.
Okay.
That is where she's from. Please, I'm saying something.
Okay.
So she said she intercepted the mother of this child on the way.
Okay.
On the way around the Oko village.
In Asaba.
In Asaba.
Okay.
That's where she got this child.
Okay.
I asked her how much she gave to the mother of this child. She did not say the particular amount, but she mentioned that she gave the woman only a little money. Ego na exactly.
So, madam, please. Madam, woman, please tell us your name and your address.
My name.
Please speak louder.
Rosaline. 5 Ajasa.
Number 5 Ajasa Street. At where? Onitsha. Okay.
Ego na-esi mgbe ahụ na obere ego ka ị nyere nne nwa. Obere ego ahụ ị nyere nne nwa bụ ego one.
Madam, please be sincere. You know, we just rescue you from the masses.
Good morning, everyone. I could not sleep, so I decided to make this video, and it's for some specific people. So my show is 5 days away, and I've been trying my best to publicize it and all that. But to my shock, my greatest surprise, the people that I really even expected to help me repost, they did not even post it on their pages. So instead of calling each of them one after the other, because they will just say, "Ama Bino Aburu," I decided to do this video so that they will know the way I feel. People like T.A., Nengade, Yinka, Alibaba, Julius, people that gave me minds that don't worry, you can be a comedian, we're right behind you. They did not even post to tell people about my show. The people that are even on the bill, my son is on the bill, J1. He didn't post it. I don't think I've seen it on Vector's page. I called Just Too Funny. He said he posted it, but I don't know. I personally called Arule. Arule was telling me, Mama posted, bye. He didn't post it. Now, no wahala. Whether you post it or not, whether people come or not. No, need lots of fun. Emi ò ní pé wọn. Woman won't say. The show will come and go. I even forgot Buchi comedian. Well done. Nothing when I go do, when I go ask you, make you post. You go dey forget, or you go tell me say you no see am. Since you moved to the island and made new friends, Buchi, you can't be like say you no get past. Times like this, I miss Sultan. I'm so stressed.